easing on back to the house here through the creek. The good news is our road is made up of mostly sand, so it'll be dry for the most part in a little while, but in the meantime we're going to enjoy the monsoon because there ain't nothing else we can do. Well, y'all can't probably see real good. I ain't even looking at the camera, I'm just holding my phone up. Looks like we got a small pond. Good, don't want to wake. Oh, you don't believe me? Huh? Wait, oh, take that, phone. Yeah, it's definitely underwater here. Uh-oh, look at it. All right, y'all, hang in there. It's gonna get better before it gets worse, or worse before it gets better, and all that. All that. Alright, so I've towed the groceries in. Let's get out and go check the rain gauge. As it's still, let's see. Yeah. Slacked off a little bit. Oh, never mind. Listen, here it comes. Another round. We're looking at another 3 inches right now. Let me go ahead and dump that so I ain't got to come back out in a minute and do it again. Bear with me here. I'm terrible here. Oh, here we go. There it is. Alright. Update y'all in a little bit. Look. Yep, there it is. Same time, same channel. It's a daggone what out here. The dogs won't even go pee. The dogs won't even pee. Where's the dog? Hey, look out. Y'all got a little bit of dry space out here to go pee in. Maybe you going to pee, bro? No? Oh, you're going to jump on me, get me all muddy. Get me all muddy. Uh-huh. Woo, y'all, it is doing some rain here. And we have had another tree go down. That magnolia tree used to have 2 off of it. But it's broken in half. Right there. Right there. Well, I tell you what. We in bad shape down here, y'all. It's wet. It is W-E-T wet. Oh, that's about as far as we can get right here. Buddy! Who knows? Alright, y'all, we're gonna keep soaking it up. Let me off. Listen. Alright, you tell me it ain't done some ranking here? Look at that red car right there. Anybody want to buy that? I'll sell it to you right now. It is for sale. Got brand new headlights in it. Brand new tail lights. Brand new mirrors. Let me see if I can find them here. Side mirrors, brand new. Brand new smart junction box. Motor runs good. Driver side airbag came out. I ain't putting one in it. Nope, not me. Still, then y'all just gonna look at it. Sit right there until I can sell it. I'll take $500 cash money for it right now. Cash money. If you got a 2006 Ford Fusion, that's for you. Look at me. Terrible car salesman. Terrible YouTuber. Can't build nothing. Golly. That's dry. What? Smoke. To all my native users up yonder. You wish you had some of this water right here? Huh? Coming down. Coming down. Look, Bailey. Bailey, look. Hold on now. This mall ain't on your town. I'll tell you some of this water right. This is good fresh rainwater too, y'all. Fresh. Falling out of the sky right now. Hey. Bailey, where's your ball? Huh? Where's your ball? You going back off the porch, dummy? Look, ready? Down set hut. Oh! Yay, buddy! I don't know if y'all can see that. It's coming down in sheets. Just sheets of water coming down. Huh. Forrest Gump. Lieutenant Dan! Ain't got no love. Windmill, get it! Man, y'all, I need something to do. I went to the store. Spent more money than I probably should have. Went to the bow shop. Had my bow looked at. It's fine, they said. Adjusted the timing a little bit. But looks like it's already up to ½ an inch already. And I just dumped it out 20 minutes ago. 20 minutes ago. Alright, y'all. It's slacked up for a minute. I'll come out here and take another gander. I called a ½ inch earlier. Remember, you see me dump it out. We're back at 2 inches again already. So, y'all tell me it ain't doing some raining, huh? I'm sure y'all seen earlier in this video, we went spliced together, that the road was underwater, flooded. And now, a few hours later, it is not. Thank you, Sandman. Alright then, looks like we're about in the clear for the rain, even though the sky don't look too friendly. But pretty sure we're about wound up here with the rain. Now the good stuff happens. The storm's going north of us now, back to the east, so all the rivers are going to flood, and then they're just going to come down this way, and it's going to flood us out. So, we ended up with another 2.5 inches, 2 3/4 inches in the rain gauge. Depends how you see it. You see it. So anyway, but we're pretty well dry here at this point. No stain on water. So that's it, y'all. We'll catch you on the next flip side, go around, come back. Come on.